This video is for the nobody people who actually want to know what my channel is about. Really what I do is I just play random games and hope I do good. Really. I build stuff, I do other stuff, and I do stuff. That's about what I do. I think you see where this is going. But yeah, my channel, actually I don't know what to say. Alright, anyways, I'm playing Blockade 3D. Woo! Alright. This is just a video to let you know what I actually do and all the normal stuff and all that. So I thank you all for watching this episode of something, what my channel is, and I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully I improve on this feature. Bye. See you in the next episode.